Hello, second grade. Happy Monday. Welcome back. It is February 8th, and it is time for math. Today, we're going to be talking about a little bit of a different topic. We're going to be starting to talk about like money and how we can use money. So, today, we're going to explore saving money and spending money. So, we do this by reviewing our important vocabulary, which is going to be on the next slide. The next slide I'm going to show you, but it should be the slide you've already seen right before this video. So watch teacher-led video over saving and spending with examples. Y'all are going to finish the activity that I start for you on your own after we talk about it, and then you're going to turn your work into Google Classroom when you're done. And after that, please don't forget, what do you have to do after? You have to do your extra math, guys. Some of us have not been doing our extra math, and we look at it, and then guess what? We grade it. And if you aren't doing it, you're not getting better at your facts and adding and subtracting. And that's important for money too, because we have to talk about when we are adding money to our what we already have, or maybe when we spend our money, we have to subtract a little bit. So we want to be really, really fluent with those facts. And we do all this because money management is an important skill that we use in our everyday life. So our vocabulary today, saving and spending. Thumbs up if you've heard those words before. Oh my goodness. A lot of us have heard those words before. That's awesome. So can you guys talk to the person next to you about what you think saving money means? What do y'all think that means? Oh my goodness, thank you for participating. Saving money. Well, there's a lot of different ways to say it. So maybe you read the slide and you said it the same way as me. Maybe you said it a different way. But saving money is when you have money, and what do you do with it? You put it in your piggy bank. You put it in your wallet. You put it in a bank account. You keep it, right? Basically, you keep it. And that's saving is when you choose to put your money away in case you need it later or for something that you want to buy later. So then that's spending, or I'm sorry, that's saving. Spending is the opposite thing. So if that's what saving means, what do you guys think spending means? Go ahead and talk to someone next to you about what spending is. So saving is keeping your money. So spending must be using your money. And when we use our money, we're choosing to trade it for a good or a service. So a good would be something like a marker or a cup or a phone or a pen or a sweater or all kinds of things. Those are goods. Service is like when you pay someone to do something for you. Like if your toilet breaks, you might have to pay for a plumber to come fix your toilet. That would be a service. So we either save our money or we can spend our money, right? And we want to be aware of the choices that we make with our money and why we need to make these kinds of choices. So saving is good. Why would we save money? I want you guys to talk to someone next to you, or if you're at home, you're going to talk to your dog or your cat or your grandma or your grown up, whoever's around, okay? Talk to them about why saving is important, okay? What are a few ideas? I'm going to give y'all 10 seconds to talk about it. All right. So thank y'all for participating. I hope that you guys had an interesting discussion with your classmates and heard some new ideas, or with whoever you're talking to at home. So saving money can be important because we need money. We need money for lots of things. We need to buy it for the things that we need, and we need money to buy the things that we want too. So we need money to buy food. We need money to buy water. We need money to buy clothes that we need and pay for lots of different things in our life that we use all the time. If you have a Nintendo Switch, that's a thing you want, and you needed someone, or maybe you didn't, but someone needed to save money to get something like that, right? Or if you have a game or something that you like that's fun, you save money for those things too. So that's saving. And that's spending, right? So now we're going to talk about some situations, and we're going to decide if they are saving or spending. So here we go. I see put money into a piggy bank. If I put my money into a piggy bank, Do you guys think I'm saving my money, like keeping it, or am I spending it, like trading it for something? What do y'all think? Putting money into a piggy bank is saving money, right? That's money that you can use later because it's still yours. Very good. Thank y'all for your help. So next we have buy popcorn at the movies. If I go to the movies and buy popcorn there, am I saving that money or am I spending that money? What do y'all think? Buying popcorn at the movies. Well, do I get to keep that money? No, I'm trading it. What am I trading my money for? When I give it to the cashier, what do they give back to me? They're going to give me popcorn. So I'm choosing to trade my money, so it must be spending. So I'm spending my money there. All right. Next, if I add money to my bank account, if I go up to the bank and I say, "Hey, put this money with the rest of my money in my bank account," am I saving that money or am I spending that money? What do y'all think? This one is a little bit tricky. So you are handing your money to like a bank teller, right? But are you keeping that money? You are actually getting to keep that money, okay? So they're putting it into like a big grown-up piggy bank for you, okay? So grown-ups don't usually have piggy banks. Normally they keep their money in a bank instead of just in a piggy bank at home. And so that's what you're doing. So do y'all think that that is saving or spending? That is saving because you can always go back and pull that money out later. Last one we're going to do together, and then you'll do the rest by yourself, says pay for movie tickets. Do you think that that's saving money? Do you get to keep that money, or are you spending that money? What do you guys think? You are spending that money. So you do not get to keep that money. And what do you get when you trade that money? When you hand it to them, what do you get back? You get a movie ticket. You get to go into the movie theater, which we haven't done in so long, but when you're at the movies, when they open back up, then you would be getting the movie ticket from the person behind the little glass window. So you guys are going to do the other 4 by yourself on the you do slide. But we are going to do one more little practice when we talk about saving. Remember, saving is giving your money, trading it for stuff, right? No, saving is when you keep that money, okay? So there's a few questions here. I'm going to do the first and the third to show you how we can solve these problems. And then you guys are going to answer the second and the fourth on your own. So save, it says planned amount to save, and then how much we saved after 1 week. So if we plan to save $1 a week, $1 a week, I'm actually going to pause and get my whiteboard out. All right, guys, I decided to actually put this on a slide for you to see. So we're going to be talking about putting money in the bank because we're talking specifically about saving money. So we have a piggy bank right here because that's what most of us use to keep our money in whenever we're kiddos. Grown-ups, you can imagine this more just like when you're a grown-up, you're more likely to just use a bank. It's less fun. So and I didn't want to put a picture of a bank, so I just put a piggy bank. All right, so we are going to be saving some money. How much money are we saving? We're saving $1 each week, and we want to figure out how much we would have in our savings account after 4 weeks. So over here, I have some dollars, right? And after 1 week, I take $1, and what do? I put it in my piggy bank, right? So there's $1 on my piggy bank. Okay, so that's 1. How many weeks are we trying to save for, though? 4 weeks, right? So we need to do what? We need to wait a whole nother week. And what do we get to do? We add another dollar in. So now how many dollars are in my piggy bank? How many do y'all see? There's $2 in my piggy bank now, okay? Have I saved for 4 weeks yet? No, I have not. So I've only saved for 2 weeks. So it's 1, 2. And now we're going to add another dollar. It's been a whole nother week. So we're going to add $1. And how much money is in my piggy bank after 3 weeks, everyone? $3. And now it's been 4 weeks. And how many dollars do I have after 4 weeks? How many do you see? We see 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So we're going to go back to our chart and we're going to say that if we save $1 each week, after 4 weeks, how much money do we have, everyone? We have $4. You guys are going to do the $2 each week for 4 weeks on your own. I'll leave my piggy bank there though so that you guys can use that to count if you need to, okay? So there's a manipulative there for you to use. So now the other question I'm going to do, because I'm going to do 1 and 3. This one, what do y'all see? How much money am I saving each week? It's a blank. We don't know how much money we're saving each week, but we do know that after 4 weeks, how much money do we have? We have $12 after 4 weeks. So we're going to try and figure out how much we saved each week. If after 4 weeks, we now have $12 in the bank. So I'm going to put $12 in here. I have 4 already. So now I'm going to do 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so now I'm going to move these dollars. I don't want those. We only have $12 in our bank, right? So we want to figure out that if there's 4 weeks, right? How much do we save each week? We need to separate these $12 into 4 different groups because that would be the amount we saved each week because there's 4 weeks we're saving. So I'm going to start by creating 4 groups. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So this will be the stack of money that I saved the first week. This will be the stack of money I saved the second week, the third week, and the 4th week. So I still have money in the bank though. There's still some money over here. So I need to sort it out until there's no money left. Oops. Don't need that. I'm not using the dictionary right now. Okay, so that's $2 in my first week. $2 here. $2 here. And $2 here. So this is the money saved the first week, the second week, the third week, and the 4th week. But guess what? That's not $12 yet. That's $2, $4, $6, $8. So if we save $2 each week, then that's how much we would have. But we want to know that if we have $12, how much did we save each week? So we have 2. Let's keep sorting it out. We're separating into those 4 weeks. 2, 3, 4. And guess what? I have no more money to sort. So if I took all those $12 and separated them into equal groups and said, how much am I saving each week? How many dollars were in each group? We had 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. So there were $3 in each week that we saved to get to 12 at the end of the 4 weeks. So that's a little bit of a trickier one, which is why I did that one for you guys. That's actually that's kind of like when we do division and multiplication later. So that one, how much did we save each week? It was $3 a week, and we ended up with $12. So just an introduction to that for you guys. Now you guys are going to save $2 each week and save $5 each week by yourselves. And I will give you another page with a piggy bank and money that you can move around and work with, okay? So let's hop into the next video and I'll show you how you're going to finish out your assignment today, okay? I'll see y'all there.